One moonlit night, Luna ventured a bit too far from home and found herself lost in the dense forest. With each step, the trees seemed to grow taller and the shadows darker, causing Luna's heart to flutter with fear. Just as Luna began to feel hopeless, she stumbled upon a shimmering pond illuminated by the soft glow of fireflies. To her amazement, the pond's surface rippled with magical reflections of distant lands and fantastical creatures. Bravely, Luna dipped her paw into the water, and in an instant, she was whisked away on a magical journey through enchanted realms. She soared high above mountaintops on the back of a majestic dragon, danced with fairies in a spark. In a blink, Luna found herself back in the familiar embrace of her village, surrounded by her worried family, who had been searching for her all night. Overjoyed to see her safe and sound, they hugged her tightly and promised to never let her wander off alone again, and as Luna curled up in her cozy bed, she drifted off to sleep, knowing that even the darkest of nights could lead to the most magical of adventures,